Okay, we're going to show you how to save tomato seeds. And it's a very simple thing to do, but there's a couple of things you really need to be aware of. If you want to get the best tomato seeds, you always, whatever tomato plant you use, you want to harvest the largest fruit off the plant. Like all three of these came off, but see, you had the little one. You wouldn't want to use the little one because the seeds aren't going to be as good as the ones in the bigger one. And then all you need is basically a cup, and then we'll cut these and squeeze it in. But also the water that you use is very important. You don't want to use tap water or any water like bottled water or anything like that. You want to use RO water or distilled water or rainwater, because you don't want to contaminate the seeds any other way. So basically what we're going to do, and it's pretty simple, is I'm just going to cut the tomato in half, and you can see the little seeds in it. You can see that, and then I'm just going to squeeze the pulp, and you can see the seeds going in there. Oh, got some on the table. I'll get those up here in a minute. And squeeze them in there. There you go. And then we'll do the other side. And boom, more seeds. Okay, so that's basically it. Then you want to take, I'm using distilled water, and I'm just using a little bit of it. And you don't necessarily have to put it in a measuring cap or anything. You just don't need a lot of water, so it's easier to do it in this cap. But that's about all the water that you would need to put in here. That's it. You can see that. Okay. Then you just find a nice place in your kitchen, like on a counter somewhere, or under the counter, or in your cabinet, and then you just get something like this. Yeah. I've got this, or you can, anything, just to put a cover over it, like this. Well, anything you got that you can cover your utensil with. And let that set, and about once a week, check it. And usually about, depending on the temperatures in your kitchen, anywhere from a week to 10 days to a little over 2 weeks, a mold will form on top of this, a black mold, and it'll form a surface over it. And once it does that, you'll take the mold off, and then you'll pour the water and all through a tea strainer and wash your seeds off. And we'll show you that later on. Right now, this is how you get it started. So the next time we show you, we're going to show you the other end of this, is where we take the mold off, wash the seeds, and then we'll give you some more tips on how to store the seeds and what to do with it. So that takes care of this particular shoot.